Drew, the secret of snow worked here.
What?
The secret of snow worked here. Hi, little snow angel. Hi-oh.
We're gonna have a little problem.
There's Pap in the window. You got to keep your gloves on, Owen, or it'll get really cold, won't it? Rylan, do you like the snow? Yeah. You like it? You like it, Drew. Don't throw that at your sister.
Okay, let's go sled ride.
You want to go sled riding?
Go in the back and
Help Owen. He can't get up. Can you get up, Drew? There's Pap. Are you stuck?
What do you mean help?
Can you not get up?
I think your sister's stuck if she can't get up. She's falling. You think she can't get up?
She laid there like a helpless slug.
Okay, guys.
Alright, guys.
Bye.
Come on.
Are you going sled riding?
Sled ride?
Go with Uncle Og.
walking.
You're walking?
They try the snowbank in the back of the...
Oh. There's the hill.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, help.
There's some snow right there. Go get it. Where's my helpless little slug? You go back in with Pappers? Okay. Help, help, I'm falling.
Can you get up, young man? Come on.